Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add and use Soundboard sound on Discord mobile. So if you want to use Soundboard board on Discord server, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to use Soundboard sounds on Discord, you discover that you cannot do that on the mobile application no matter how hard you try. So you need to use a browser if you ever want to use the Soundboard sound reaction on your Discord server. So, and here it has to be a voice server. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open a browser and then sign into your Discord account. So go ahead, open any browser of your choice, sign into your Discord account. Once you sign into your Discord account, you want to click on the three dots at top right or bottom right, depending on your OS, and make sure you choose desktop side. So this is going to open the Discord website on mobile in desktop. Then after that, the next thing you want to do is this. Go ahead and click on the Discord server where you want to use the Soundboard sounds. So let's set this. And then once you click on that, here, come here and click on this drop menu on the Discord server name. Then locate and click on server settings. Now, once you click on server settings on the left side, you should see Soundboard. So this is where you can easily use or add your Soundboard sound to your Discord server. Click on Soundboard. Then here you'll be prompted to upload a sound. So you need to upload your Discord reaction sound by clicking on upload sound. And here you should see upload sound pop. On the upload sound page, you need to choose the file, give the sound a name, and then you can even add related emoji. So go ahead and click on browse. Then go to where the sound is located. In my own case, the sound is located on my media picker, which is download folder. So you just need to go to your download folder. So just click on here, the menu option at the top left, and click on downloads. Then locate and click on the download sound you want to use as your Soundboard sound on your Discord account or Discord server. Then after that, come here and give this a name. So I'm just going to give this wow. So once you give that a name, you can add related emoji. And then after that, go ahead and click on upload. Then this is going to upload the Soundboard sound to your Discord server. And here you can see you have a maximum of 8 Soundboard sounds you can upload or add. And then you've added one. So this is it. You see that? So this particular Soundboard sound will be available on your Discord server, and it will also be available for premium Discord server user. Then when next you want to use the Soundboard sounds on your Discord server, all you just need to do is go back to the Discord page, and on the Discord server page where communication is taking place, you will be able to use the Discord Soundboard sound you added. So that is basically how to add and use Soundboard sound on Discord mobile. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.